Hey guys, Dr. Shane, look at that bad boy. Look at that thing. Just wanted to show off a little bit, show off to you what you'll be getting. You go to the profile pic. This is just one of the things you'll be getting. You get a free gift, which is unbelievable. It's an LED face mask that we had designed, much like the OmniLux or a Duro mask, but better. Those things sell for $399. When you opt in for the Emerald package, not only do you get this here, but we're combining this with our other preeminent fat loss technology, Ultra Slim. We're doing 2 treatments at once. For like triple, quadruple the results. The results are absolutely insane. So if you're interested in getting those type of results, you're near the Kansas City area, you don't mind driving an hour or 2, it's once a week with this, and the results are absolutely phenomenal. Don't trust me, just go to the page and look at the reviews. They're all there, but profile page, check the offer out. It's smoking.